Right, children, the time now is 5:30 p.m. The time now is 5:30 p.m. The reason why I need your video to be on is very simple, so that I know that you are behind the screen. All right, some of you might be using your phone in the toilet and looking at me teaching. That is terrible. Oh no, ew. So can you please be at a proper position, let's say in the study room of yours, or maybe in your bedroom, and you are seriously listening to me, right? In the right place, please. Oh my goodness. I just yuck myself. All right, so children, as I was saying to the rest of the student, my name is Ben Ong from 88 Tuition. I'm the lead teacher at 88 Tuition. All right, so sometimes if you happens to see my videos, right, of course you should be looking at my videos. All right, so the video, that person is actually me. All right, that was the younger version of me lah. Yeah, I was a little bit younger those few years, but now I becomes a little bit older. But it's okay. All right, still as handsome, still as cute, I believe. All right, so let's move into our lesson today. All right, today, right, we'll be doing a little bit of fractions. Eldon, hi, nice to see you. Siyu, can I get you to on your video, please? All right, hi, Kat. Hi, Kat. Oh, yes. All right, so as I was trying to say, today we'll be doing a little revision on fractions. All right, some of you, like just now, Olivia told me that you all haven't do fractions in school yet. All right, but I'm so sorry, but 88 Tuition, we have actually finished fractions and we are doing our revision now. All right, so you try to catch up, and hopefully by the end of the year, you will be equally as good as everybody else. Can? Okay, so these are the house rule for 88 Tuition. All right, so I need your video to be turned on all the time. All right, I need you to be muted. If you have any special question or something to tell me about my hairstyle, maybe, all right, you can actually go to the chat and type in. All right, I believe you'll know where's the chat down here. So let me just say hello to everybody. Hello. All right, so that is the chat. You can go there to type in. So sometimes, right, hi, Kat. Sometimes I can see your answer. Sometimes when I ask a question, right, you can actually go to the, hey, Xander, don't bye me like that. Hello, Iris. All right, so sometimes when I go to the questions, right, and I ask for an answer, all right, so if you can, go to the chat and participate by giving me the right answer. Is that okay? Okay. So if you want to go toilet, right, children, just go lah. Just go and come back. All right. Imagine everybody telling me that you are going toilet. It's so irritating. All right. I believe in you. I trust in you. Go toilet and come back. Okay. All right. So I want to see your face in front of the camera more. All right. You all got such pretty faces, and some got very handsome looks. All right. Just as handsome as me. I know. All right. So that's it. All right, so let me just begin on the question, the homework that I gave to the class 2 weeks ago. All right, why 2 weeks ago? Because last week was 88 tuition break. All right, so last week got no lesson. So I gave them a brain teaser like this. All right, so I know that many of you haven't seen this question yet. All right, so maybe you just take a look. All right, I will give this as a homework for this week also. All right, so that we can discuss it the next week. It's just a brain teaser just to activate a little bit of your brain. All right, because sometimes you say that, yeah, math so boring, everything the same one, right? So I'm now trying to put in some of these extra things to make it a little bit more exciting, so that you will not find it so boring. All right, so maybe we can just open up to the class for the next 2 minutes. All right, until 5:35. If you have an answer, you can go to the chat and type it in. All right. Then all the answers that you type it in, I will write on the screen to tell you which is the wrong answer. All right, so for those who have actually done the homework, you can actually go to the chat and type in your answer. All right, Agnes, thank you for your answer. However, it's incorrect. Take out your calculator, children. Huh? Primary 4 can use calculator. Wow, this class, everything can. Yes, just take it out. Come. All right, Xander, don't be funny lah. We got 1 million. You'd like to have 1 million followers, right? I know. All right, I think he very swai. Xander very swai. So he having 1 million followers is easy. Nicole, the answer is not infinity, please. All right, just to let you know, infinity, right? The symbol for infinity is like that. It's like an 8 that is slanting, that is lying down. So it's not correct. Oh, yo, Xander. So many bullets. All right, anyone else, children? Cat says 290. All right. Nope. Hanuska say 40. Nope. So all these are the wrong answer, children. Obviously, one is incorrect. Hey, Nico, don't spam me. Nico, don't spam. I told you before already, I don't like spamming. All right, Nico was trying to list out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to get to the answer. All right, by the time she lists out everything, I'll grow old, she'll grow old, we grow old together. All right, one more student, Brian. Okay. So actually, children, thanks for trying to participate in that little exercise. The reason for the exercise is to wait for some of the students who might come in late. All right, so we managed to get Brian in. That's good. Yes, Agnav, you are right. It's actually a 3-digit number. All right, Brian, can I get you to on your video, please? Thank you so much. And you can mute yourself. Nico, is that your answer? 1, 2, 3? That's not correct. Hey, Nico, can you please use your brain power to go through some thinking process before giving me an answer and not simply listing out? Iris, thank you for your answer, but it's incorrect. All right, wait. Oh, so many answers coming in. 760, nope. 142, nope. Okay, children. All right, so I believe that wow, Cat. Who is Cat? Let me see. I must see her face. Wow, Cat. She got it. My goodness. Are you kidding, Cat? Wow. Amazing. Seriously, my Sec 2 also don't know how to do this. Wow. Okay, so Cat forced me to teach you guys how to do it. Right, because she got the answer. Good job, Cat. My goodness. Who is this girl? Right, let me put a little note down first. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so children. Yes, Catherine, right? Yes, Catherine. Yeah, but I think call you Cat is easier because 3 syllables. Sorry, I'm very lazy one. That's why my name is called what? My name is called Burn also, you see? Right, only 1 syllables. Okay, come. Okay, so how did Cat get the answer? Can you see down here got 1, 2, 3 sets of 2 bells. All right, that will be 60. So each of these will be like 20, 20, 20. Be careful. All right, if this is 20, right, one of these will be a what? One of these will be a 10. Is that okay? So that makes this one a 10. Be careful. Okay? So down here we have 2 bells, which makes it a 20 plus 2 men. All right? So down here is a total of 30. 30 minus 20 is a 10. All right? So each man is a 5, 5. Olivia, the answer is 690 already, but thank you for trying. All right, I saw you working out. Thank you so much. Ken? So 1 man is 5, 2 men is 10, 1 bell, 2 together is a 20. That makes a 30. So remember the man is a 5, so this is a man. So these 2 are actually women. They wear skirt, that's why it's woman, Ken. So this one is a 09. 09 is just a number 9. 9 minus 5 minus away the man, we have a 4. All right, 4 got 2 women is a 2, 2. Can you understand? Si Yu, oh, you're about to type 690 also? Very good, very good. Wow, you are almost there also. Very strong, these 2 girls. Right, Si Yu is a girl, right? Let me check. Yeah, correct. Just to confirm. All right, Xander. Okay, go, hurry up. Please come back. Don't have to tell me, I say already. All right, so now you got all these numbers ready. Very happy. Go on to the next stage. The girl is a 2. The bell down here got 20. Okay, the cap. What is the cap? So 42 minus the 2, which is minus away the woman, got 40. 40 minus the 2 bell, 20. That means the cap is a 20. Can you see? So which means that this cap is a 20. And can you see that down here there's a 20? The woman, which is a 2, is wearing the cap. All right. So the man is a 5. The woman is a 2. The man is a 5. So down here got how many? What's the number? All right. So the woman wearing the cap is a 22. 22 plus 5, 22 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5. That will give you a 34. Is that okay? Okay. But children, very dangerous down here. All right. This is only taught in primary 5. All right. That's why I think that this question is unfair to you. All right. But there are still people who can get the correct answer. Seriously, very powerful. All right. And I did say use your calculator. So if you press your calculator, 10 plus 34 times 20, what do you get? You get a 690. Is that understood? All right. So what happens here in primary 5, right? The first topic that you're going to learn is something called 4 operations, which is this portion. You're supposed to do the multiplication portion first. All right. Because in the operations of, in the 4 operations, right, which you are going to learn in primary 5, I know I'm going a bit ahead. All right. The person who is the most important is actually your bracket. Number 2, most important is actually your multiplication and your division. Number 3, the most important is actually your plus and your minus. All right. And down here, there's a hidden rule whereby when times and divide or plus and minus are on the same line, all right, you are supposed to do from left to right. All right, so this is a primary 5 thing. This is a primary 5 thing. All right, that is the reason why I give you permission to use the calculator just now. I did say can use calculator. I did say, all right, because I didn't expect anyone to answer correctly. I seriously didn't expect, but we have 2 persons. All right, so children, can you see or not? You guys are in P4, but you're equally as good. All right, you're equally as good as those P5, P6 students, just to let you know. Can? All right, so the answer here is 690. All right, good job, good job. The one on the left, right, this one is just extra information, extra that you'll be learning in primary 5. All right, but if you want to take down notes, right, please go ahead and take down notes. All right, please do not restrict yourself to learning. All right, don't say that because you're in primary 4, you only learn primary 4 stuff. All right, which I actually don't believe. All right, if you are primary 4, if you can push yourself a little bit more to learn a bit of primary 5 things, will be very good for you. Can? All right, so I'm still not getting Brian's video to be turned on. Brian, can you please turn on video? Unless your video got problem. All right, then maybe later I will just drop your, yes. Okay, thank you so much, Brian. Thank you so much. All right, I think he's having his dinner, so he don't want to disturb us just now. Thank you so much. Okay, so children, as I was saying, this is just a brain teaser, is to just to test whether if you can understand and you can see some extra things or not. All right, brain teasers is for the school holidays. All right, and yeah, children, next week no more school holidays. It's back to hard work. It's back to hard work. Can? Okay, come. Let's go into today's lesson. All right. So children, you are supposed to attempt the worksheets before coming for the lesson, just to let you know. All right, you're supposed to attempt the worksheet before coming for the lesson. I see that many of you attempted the worksheet. Some people attempted during the last minute, which is okay. All right, at least you attempt the worksheet. That is perfectly good. All right, so while you attempt the worksheet, right, I'll be able to see who make what mistakes at where. All right, I'll be able to see who make what mistakes at where. Okay, so let me quickly just go through a few questions first. All right, then later we will have a bit of Kahoot. All right, I will need you to get your maybe handheld device to log into Kahoot to answer some of the questions. And there'll be.
Excuse me, it's computer. Okay?
Sorry again?
It's computer. Okay with that?
You can use your computer to log in also. Yeah, no problem. Yep. All right. So thanks for your question. Okay, so let's just begin on a simple question for fraction first. All right, so I totally understand that some of you never learn about fractions, but I believe primary 3, right? The school teacher actually touched on already. All right, touch on a little bit of fractions. Can? So let me just try to answer this question because this question appears in your worksheet. Okay. Actually, can I get maybe Xingci to assist me with this question? Yeah, because I saw that you make a mistake in this question. All right. So maybe can you, do you know how to annotate, Xingci?
Annotate?
Yes. Do you know how to annotate? Don't know. Okay, never mind. So Xingci, have you learned fractions before?
Yes.
Okay, so this particular question is looking for something that is greater than 4/5, right?